Thank you, Mr. President, for giving me the opportunity. I am Senator Victor Ume, OFR. I represent the good people of Anambra Central Senatorial District. Distinguished colleagues, this vigilante issue is a very critical issue in Nigeria. I've listened to contributors to this motion. It is very unfortunate that Kogi State has been in the news on this abuse for some time now. But it behoves on me to point out to this distinguished Senate that vigilante services have worked in some states of the Federation in helping to maintain peace and security in those states. I give you Anambra State as an example. The Anambra State Vigilante Group was established about 9 years ago due to the high rate of crimes in that state. And the State Assembly passed a law establishing it. The vigilante services in Anambra State is so structured that even the commander is a retired commissioner of police. There is no person serving in that vigilante service group in Anambra State that is not known by the commander and other people working in that group. So I want us to treat the issue of Kogi as a special case, and in those areas where we have serious security challenges in the country. Just about 2 weeks ago, there was an order by the Inspector General of Police that small arms in the possession of these vigilante men should be withdrawn. That order caused tension in Anambra State, because today Anambra State prides itself as the safest state in Nigeria. Before, it was very notoriously unsafe. These vigilante people have complemented the efforts of the conventional security forces in combating crime. The place is very safe now. And when I went home last weekend, even religious leaders whispered to me that this order to withdraw arms, they are not comfortable with it. The vigilante people have supported the security efforts of the government in Anambra State, and the place is very safe. I appreciate that in some places like in the northeast and Zamfara northwest, and now in Kogi, people who parade themselves as vigilante people may have misused the opportunities of the arms they carry. So I want to say that it is important while we condemn vigilante in some states, we have to commend the use of vigilante in places where it has worked very effectively, like in my own state. That was why I was insisting that I should be recognized to speak when I was waving my hand. My people want these vigilante services in Anambra State. Indeed, if you dispense with vigilante services in Anambra State, the state of insecurity will return, and our people are very anxious about it. The governor of Kogi State has not used this opportunity in a noble manner. What we have heard from our distinguished colleagues from Kogi State remains source of worry. So I want this distinguished Senate, if they want to intervene on this issue, let them isolate those states where vigilante services have been used to abuse people and terrorize the people. It will not be accepted. So I join in condemning what happens in Kogi, but at the same time, I'm constrained to bring to your attention, Mr. President, that the people of Anambra State cherish the vigilante services they currently have. So if there's anything that will be done, I would like us to put it in a manner that where they have these vigilante groups have posed threats to lives of other people and free movement of people, action should be taken against them in those states. And as they come up in other states, we can expand our intervention. Thank you, Mr. President. I believe that I've spoken the minds of my people, and we want to use this opportunity to ask IG to leave Anambra State vigilante services alone. That state is very peaceful, very safe, and the safest state in Nigeria today. Thank you, Mr. President.
players